Okay, today we start with exercise 9.4. That is solution of differential equation with variable separable method. We have to discuss variable separable method. Done? So what is the variable separable method? So let's start with the exercise question number 1. You have to find the general solution by the variable separable method. Question number 1. So here given question is dy by dx equal to, हाँ बोलो, है ना, सब फैसिलिटी है. So dy by dx equal to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Done? So here one differential equation is given. Na? Differential equation is there. We have to solve this differential equation. So what is the solution of differential equation? Solution of differential equation is nothing but the value of y. What is our y? Y is one function, implicit function or explicit function. So here solution of this equation will be in terms of y. Done? It may be one function. And here we have to solve this differential equation by variable separable method. So here two variables are there, y and x. So here we will separate this both the variables and we will solve this equation. तो इसको कैसे solve करते हैं देखो. So here first we will separate the variables. That means separating the variables on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side of this equation. So from the left hand side we will arrange all the variables y, all the terms with variable y. No, this is I think left hand side. On the left hand side we will arrange all the terms with variable y, and on the right hand side we will arrange all the terms with variable x. So here dy by dx is there. So taking this dx on the right hand side, and therefore we can write this dy as a 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x into dx. So this is variable separation. dy, that is y and all x. Now we have to solve this and we have to find the value of y. That is the solution. Done? We will get the general solution. So to obtain the value of y, what do you have to do? You have to integrate on both sides. So integrating. So before integrating both sides, first we have to derive the इंटीग्रेबल टर्म्स, है ना. ये 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स को डायरेक्ट हम इंटीग्रेट नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो इसको पहले सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, उसके बाद इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे. सो हियर वी कैन राइट 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस एक्स. बहुत सारे सम्स किए. 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स मीन्स इट्स अ 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2, 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स बाई 2. Similarly 1 plus cos x which is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 2 cut. So therefore we can write dy equal to sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 as a tan square x by 2 dx. अभी भी इसका इंटीग्रेशन इजीली नहीं होगा, है ना. इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा जब ये sec square के फॉर्म में होगा. So writing this tan square x by 2 as a sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now this one is easily integrable term. So now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So therefore we are getting integration of 1 with respect to dy. So 1 dy, this one is integration of sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Done. So what is the integration of this? Integration of 1 is y equal to integration of sec square x by 2 minus integration of 1. So integration of sec square x by 2 is 10. So it's a 10 x by 2. Again we have to divide the differentiation of x by 2, which is 1 by 2, minus integration of 1, which is x, plus integration constant plus c. So this is our answer, y. In terms of y, no, y is our answer. So general solution is y equal to 1 by 2 means 2 tan x by 2, 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. This is the required solution. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Clear students, what you have to do? Simple. It is the solving the differential equation by variable separable method. We are separating the variables y on the left hand side of the equation and x on the right hand side of the equation and integrating on both sides we are getting the value of y. Done. Let's try some more sums with the same method. Second one, the second given differential equation, and the differential equations are given and we are solving the differential equations. So dy by dx equal to square root of 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. Condition is given minus 2 less than y less than 2. Minus 2 less than y less than 2. So this is given differential equation. For the variable separable method, we are arranging the variables, taking the square root of 4 minus y square in the left hand side. So it's a 1 upon the square root of 4 minus y square into dy. dy taking this dx on the right hand side equal to dx. Done. Variable separation हो गया ना, देखो ये y आ गया ये x आ गया. Now next step, integrating on both sides. So now integrating on both sides. Now integrating on both sides. So take integration. It's integration of 1 upon square root of 4 minus y square dy equal to integration of 1 with respect to x. So what is the integration of the square root of 4 minus y square? It's a square minus x square form. Sin inverse x by a. So it will be sin inverse y by 2 equal to integration of 1 x plus integration constant. So here we can write y by 2 sin inverse, that is sin x plus c. So our y is taking 2 in the right hand side. You have to write the solution in terms of y. So it's a y equal to 2 sin x plus c. Done. So this is the required solution. You have to write which is required solution. Clear students? समझ में आ रहा है? रिद्धि मैम आपको समझ में आ रहा है? ये बच्चे आंसर नहीं दे रहे हैं. Third one, dy by dx plus y equal to 1. Done. Condition y is not equal to 1. So what we have to do? Rearrange करना पड़ेगा, variable separate करना पड़ेगा. So taking this y on the right hand side. So therefore we are having dy by dx equal to 1 minus y. Now taking this 1 minus y term left hand side dx on the right hand side. So therefore it will be 1 upon 1 minus y dy equal to dx. Done. So this is variable separation. Left hand side all the terms with y, right hand side all the terms with x. Now next step, you have to take the integration on both sides. So integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So what is the integration? So integration of 1 upon 1 minus y dy equal to integration of 1 dx. So what is the integration of 1 upon 1 minus y? It's a log mode 1 minus y into differentiation of this minus y, minus sign आएगी. So it's a minus log mode 1 minus y equal to integration of 1 is x. Done. Plus c, integration constant plus c. But here to simplify this log, है ना, we'll consider this c as a log c because c करेंगे that is one constant, log c भी एक constant होगा, है ना. So replacing this c with log c, so क्या होगा देखो, it's a x equal to माइनस लॉग वन मोड वाई माइनस लॉग सी, इसको हम लॉग सी ले ले, है ना, तो इसके साथ ये सिंप्लीफाई होगा. सो दिस वन इज माइनस लॉग, ये आपका सॉल्यूशन आ गया, लेकिन वी हैव टू राइट द सॉल्यूशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ y इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स एंड फॉर दैट वी आर सिंप्लीफाइंग दिस, अदरवाइज दिस इज योर आंसर. इट्स अ माइनस लॉग मोड 1 minus y, taking this log c in the left hand side, it's a minus log c equal to x. So here we can take minus common, so it will be multiplication of log 1 minus y into c equal to x. Done. ये पूरा log है. So removing this log, what we are getting? We are getting 1 minus y c into 1 minus y equal to, consider this negative sign with this minus x, so it will be positive. So it's e raised to minus x, removing this log, e raised to minus x, taking this c, the denominator of this e raised to minus x, it's a 1 minus y equal to e raised to minus x by c. So 1 by c, one constant, consider that one as a another constant. Done. So this is 1 minus y. So taking this term in the left hand side, y on the right hand side, it's a 1 minus e raised to minus x by c equal to y. 1 by c as a one another constant. So therefore our answer is y equal to 1 minus 1 by c equal to take a. So it's a y equal to a plus e raised to minus x, where a equal to minus 1 by c, integration constant, which can be any constant. Done. So our solution is y equal to a plus, sorry, 1 plus e raised to minus x. क्लियर. आपका आंसर यहाँ पर आ गया, लेकिन आपको आंसर जो सॉल्यूशन है वो y के फॉर्म में लिखना है, इसलिए मैंने ये थोड़ा ज्यादा सिंप्लीफिकेशन किया. So now next question number 4. Here for the fourth question we are given sec square x plus, sorry, into tan y dx plus sec square y tan x dy equal to 0. This is given equation. Done. So first we will do variable separation. So taking this term sec square y tan x dy in the right hand side, so it will be sec square x tan y dx equal to, this will be minus sec square y tan x dy. Done. So this term is with x, this is also x, and this is x, and remaining these terms are with y. So how can we separate it? Taking this tan x into denominator, so it will be sec square x upon tan x dx equal to minus sec square y upon tan y dy, है ना. ये tan y को डिनोमिनेटर में लिया, साथ में हो गया, लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं, y को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर रखते हैं, x को राइट हैंड साइड पर. डन. सो हियर माइनस साइन, कीपिंग माइनस साइन ओवर हियर, टेकिंग दिस टर्म, इसको हम राइट में लिखेंगे, तो कैसे लिखेंगे, इट विल बी sec square y upon tan y dy equal to, this will be minus sec square x dx upon tan x. Done. Now integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, we are getting integration of sec square y upon tan y dy equal to minus constant sec square x upon tan x dx. बोलो इंटीग्रेशन किसी को याद आ रहा है? लेट tan y इक्वल टू t, सो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस tan y sec square y dt, इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा log mod t, so log mod t is log mod tan y, equal to, this one is minus log mod 10x and plus इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट log के साथ सिंप्लीफिकेशन के लिए लेंगे log c. Done. Now taking this term on the left hand side, so it's a log mod 10y plus log mod 10x equal to log c. These two are in multiplication, sorry, these two are in addition, so we can write in multiplication. So it's a log 10y into 10x equal to log c. Now taking anti-log on both sides, this log will be cancelled out. So it's a 10y into 10x equal to c, है ना. अभी इसको आगे कुछ हम लिख नहीं सकते, so which is required solution, of this given differential equation. Clear, students? Very good, Aryan. Now next question number 5. Here given fifth differential equation is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x dy minus e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx equal to 0. बोलो अभी इसमें वेरिएबल सेपरेशन आएगा सबको. फर्स्ट यू आर टेकिंग दिस टर्म ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, it will be e raised to x plus e raised to minus x dy equal to, this minus term will convert into positive, plus e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx, है ना. x वाली टर्म भी राइट हैंड साइड पर भेज दे, इसको भी भेज देते हैं. सो इट्स अ dy equal to e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x into dx. Done. Variable separation. Now taking integration on both sides. So writing integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides. So it's the integration dy equal to integration of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x dx. So what is the integration of this? Integration of 1 with respect to y is y. Here take this denominator as a t. So differentiation is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx. So it's a log t. Integration of this one is log mod e raised to x plus e raised to minus x plus c is the answer. y के फॉर्म में डायरेक्ट आंसर आ गया. Simple question. Now next is question number 6. So here question number 6 is dy by dx equal to 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. सिंपल वेरिएबल सेपरेशन क्या करेंगे, 1 by y square को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, dx को राइट हैंड साइड. सो इट्स 1 upon 1 plus y square dy equal to 1 plus x square dx. Variable separation. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, this is the integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square dy equal to, this one is integration of 1 plus x square dx. Done. क्या होगा इंटीग्रेशन, बोलो इसका, किसको आता है? tan inverse y, है ना, tan inverse y equal to 1, integration of 1 is x plus x square which is x cube by 3 plus c. Done. So this is the solution. This is the required solution of this given equation. So now next question, question number 7. So for the seventh question, we are given y log y log y dx minus x dy, x dy equal to 0. Variable separation. First taking this term on the right hand side. So it will be y log y dx equal to x dy. Now taking this y log y with this dy and x with this x, so it's a 1 upon x dx equal to 1 upon x dx equal to, this will be 1 upon y log y dy. Now writing in standard form, terms with y in left hand side and terms with x on the right hand side of the equation, or writing this y as a 1 upon y log y, ताकि आपको कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ आइडिया आ जाए. 1 upon x dx, and all terms are easily integrable terms. So now taking integration on both sides. So integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, क्या होगा integration? It's the integration of 1 upon y log y dy equal to integration of 1 upon x dx. So here, if we take log y equal to t, so differentiation is 1 upon y dy. So it's a log of log y. Differentiation of this one is log of log y equal to 1 upon x. That is also log mod x. So for the simplification, we are taking integration constant as a log c. These two are in multiplication. So this one is log of log y equal to log cx. Removing this log, taking anti-log on both sides, है ना, remove direct नहीं कर सकते, taking anti-log on both sides, so it will be log y equal to cx. So we can write this y as a e raised to cx, y equal to e raised to cx, which is required solution, required solution of the given differential equation. Understood? Very good, Aryan. So now next question, question number 8. Question number 8. So here we are given x raised to 5 dy by dx equal to minus y raised to 5. ये तो सबसे आसान है ना, कौन करेगा बोलो? y raised to 5 को डिनोमिनेटर में ले लें. So it will be 1 upon y raised to 5 dy equal to x raised to 5 डिवीजन में जाएगा और माइनस साइन तो है, फिर से x raised to 5 dx. दिस इज द वेरिएबल सेपरेशन, है ना. इसको अच्छी तरह से लिखना हो तो इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, y raised to minus 5 dy equal to minus x raised to minus 5 dx. Now easily integration, integrable form. So integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, we are getting integration of y raised to minus 5 dy equal to minus integration of x raised to minus 5 dx. अभी इसका इंटीग्रेशन को किसी को आता होगा, है ना. -5 में +1 ऐड करो, डिवाइड करो, सिंपल हो गया. इट्स y raised to minus 4 divided by minus 4 equal to minus x raised to minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus c. -4 कॉमन ले लिया, ये कांस्टेंट c मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, है ना. सो क्या होगा, दिस विल बी -4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, so this will be y raised to minus 4, this will be x raised to minus 4 minus एंड दिस वन इज -4c. इसको अगेन एक कांस्टेंट ले ले. डन. सो दिस वन इज और आंसर. बस इसको आगे कुछ नहीं लिखना है ना. आगे और कुछ सिंप्लीफाई करो तो 1/y⁴ ये सब करो. तो दिस इज और आंसर y के फॉर्म में. डन. So this is question number 8. Now question number 9. So for question number 9, we are given that dy by dx equal to sin inverse x. है ना बच्चों, इसको आप IMP टिक मार्क करके लिखो. मुझे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 10 में से कोई एक क्वेश्चन एग्जाम के लिए उठाना है वेरिएबल सेपरेशन के लिए, तो मैं ये क्वेश्चन को सिलेक्ट करूंगा. ठीक है. वेरिएबल सेपरेशन के क्वेश्चन मुझे बोर्ड के एग्जाम में डालना है, तो पूरी एक्सरसाइज में से, पूरी एक्सरसाइज मीन्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 10 में से आई विल सिलेक्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. सो नाउ dy by dx इक्वल टू sin इनवर्स x. सो वेरिएबल सेपरेशन इजी. सो दिस वन इज dy इक्वल टू sin इनवर्स x dx. अभी इसके आगे कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. क्या करना है? इंटीग्रेशन. सो इंटीग्रेटिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. इंटीग्रेटिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. इंटीग्रेशन करें तो क्या होगा? दिस विल बी इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dy एंड दिस वन इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin इनवर्स x dx. बस यहाँ पे आके आप लुढ़क जाएंगे, है ना, कि अभी क्या करना है. इतने बहुत सारे सम्स किए, किसी को अगर याद आता है तो बोलो क्या करेंगे. सो दिस वन इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin इनवर्स x. ये तो हमारा डायरेक्ट y आ जाएगा ना. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ वन इज y. क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू इंटीग्रेट दिस sin इनवर्स x. आई लेट रूल अप्लाई करें. आई लेट. डन. सो हियर आई, इसको हम u कंसिडर करें और यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं है, उसको हम v ले लें. डन. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? u एज इट इज. याद है ना सबको? u एज इट इज. सो sin इनवर्स x एज इट इज into integration of v, integration of 1 x minus integration of differentiation of u. U means sin inverse x. So integration of sin inverse x is 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square into integration of v which is x पूरे का integration. Done. So this will be y equal to sin inverse x into x. So it's a x sin inverse x minus integration of x upon square root of 1 minus x square dx. और यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट हम c1 रखते हैं. c1 अगेन इसका इंटीग्रेशन करना है, इसको हम i ले लें. सो लेट i1 इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर dx. मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन यूज करें. लेट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, let 1 minus x square equal to t. So here we are getting minus 2x dx equal to dt, which implies this x dx is minus 1 by 2 dt. Done. So what is our integration I1? I1 is minus 1 by 2 constant x dx which is dt upon square root of t. So this one is minus 1 by 2 integration square root of t is 1 by 2 and numerator is 1 minus 1 by 2 dt. So integration of this one is minus 1 by 2 t raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c2. है ना, इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट c2 ले लो. This 2 will be cut, so it's a minus root t. है ना, 2 cut, minus sign is there. So minus root t plus c2 is the integration of I1 part. Put this one over here. What is t? T को भी साथ में रख दो. T is square root of this is minus square root of 1 minus x square. Done. Plus c2. ये c2 से उनको साथ में कांस्टेंट करके c कर दो. So minus minus plus. So our solution is y equal to x sin inverse x minus this one is our I1 इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या निकाला, माइनस, तो इट्स अ माइनस माइनस प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस c2 प्लस c1, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कांस्टेंट c। डन। ये था x साइन इनवर्स x माइनस, और ये माइनस, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस, दिस माइनस माइनस प्लस, integration of this one is square root of 1 minus x square. So this is the required solution for this given differential equation. Done. Now question number 10, last question of this lecture. Tenth sum. So here we are given e raised to x 10y dx plus 1 minus e raised to x sec square y dy equal to 0. Variable separation करना है. So first taking this term on the right hand side. So here it's a e raised to x. It will be e raised to x 10y dx equal to, माइनस होगा ये माइनस, माइनस 1 माइनस e raised to x sec square y dy. Done. So this term is x, this is also with x, this is also with x. ना x को एक साइड में ले लें, माइनस साइन को भी ले लें साथ में. So it will be minus e raised to x upon 1 minus e raised to x dx equal to sec square y upon 10y dy. डन. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखे तो ये टर्म इस साइड लिखनी पड़ेगी. इट्स अ sec square y 10y dy equal to minus e raised to x upon 1 minus e raised to x dx. Now taking integration on both sides. So integrating on both sides. So integrating on both sides, this one is integration of sec square y upon 10y dy equal to, this one is minus e raised to x 1 minus e raised to x dx, है ना. इसको 10 ले लो तो आ जाएगा log mod 10y. इसका भी ले लो, ये होगा log mod 1 minus e raised to x प्लस log c, है ना. मैच करने के लिए log c ले लिया. तो अभी इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, तो इट्स log mod 10y equal to log into c 1 minus e raised to x. Done. Taking anti-log, so we are getting 10y, this is our answer, 10y equal to c into bracket 1 minus e raised to x is the required, which is required solution of given